Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for a speed episode. We're doing those now. So this episode is going to be really quick, so get ready for some knowledge to be thrown at you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, ladies and squirrels. Welcome back to another episode of the Bubba's Dumb Science Class. In today's episode, we're going to be covering roses and their life cycles. Thank you for watching. Roses are one of the most beloved flowers in the world. They symbolize love, beauty, and growth. But obviously, since you clicked on this video, you are wondering how they go from a seed about this big to a big bloom that can be up to this tall. Did you know that? I didn't know that. I didn't know they got that big. So let's cover that. Like with every other plant, they start off as a seed, that big, crazy. The rose seeds sit in something called a rose, I think it's a rose hip. It's spelled R-O-S-E-H-I-P, which is the fruit of a rose, which, yeah, I know it sounds weird. Roses don't have fruit, but yes, they do. Once they're planted in the soil with water and warmth, the seed starts germinating, which is a fancy word for opening up. Tiny roots push downward into the ground, anchoring the plant, while the first green shoot, which is the stalk that everyone holds onto, which stabs them, reaches upward toward the sun. Next comes a seedling stage. At this point, the young plant grows its first leaves, tiny little leaves, but they allow for food to be made through photosynthesis, which we will cover in another video. This rose is extremely fragile, so please don't pluck it. And it needs a lot of nutrients to survive. As it matures, it enters a vegetative state. The stem strengthens, the leaves multiply, and the rose is ready to form buds. These buds promise the part that everyone knows and loves. And then it flowers. The buds slowly open up to reveal petals inside, which is the classic bloom. They attract bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, and that is what ensures the next generation of rose can survive by spreading from one to another. After they flower, the petals do eventually fall off, and then focuses its entire force onto creating fruit, which we don't eat. Which have seeds in them. The rose hips have seed in them, and then those reset the cycle all over again. So yeah, that's it, everybody. This is a short one today. Since we've already made one today, I figured we should go with a shorter one today. Have a wonderful day, everybody. That concludes today's episode. One comment we got was that the lighting was too bad, so we're going to turn on the main light for this segment only, and let me know if you all like it more or not. And without further ado, we're going to end it here. Thank you all for watching so much. It really helps. If you'd really like to help, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and please leave some suggestions for new videos in the comments. I have been having trouble finding some ideas, so I've been asking people at school, and they've come up with these last two ideas. And without further ado, let's just end it here. Have a wonderful day, everybody.